Good morning, students. Hi, today in Payal's Easy Commerce, we are starting another small concept of automated teller machine, which comes under module 3, and the second part of module 3, that is the banking and the insurance sector. Now, post liberalization, post 1991, lot of changes came, and people realized that I want money anytime that I can withdraw. It's my own money when I'm going to the bank. So bank realized अपन एक automated teller machine install करते, that is ATM. At least if most of you have not used a ATM or they have not gone to the bank, आपने देखा होगा एक एक डब्बा जैसा बैंक के बाहर रहता है. SBI है, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा है, HDFC है, बहुत सारे चर्चगेट एरिया है या अपने wherever you are staying, कोई ना कोई कंपनी का हांगकांग बैंक है, डॉइश बैंक है, सबका कहां ना कहां ऐसे एक मशीन रहता है. तो एटीएम क्या है? They can access their account for withdrawing cash or any other financial thing at emergency. अभी for example somebody is hospitalized, मुझे मेरा खुद का कैश विड्रॉ करना है, रात को 2 बजे है, तो वो इमरजेंसी में मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी? तो मैंने खुद ये एटीएम से मुझे मेरा पिन या मुझे मेरा कार्ड लेके या I can just print and with the pin that I get and my password I'll be able to withdraw that money. So every bank has to have a ATM facilities. Banks provide on-site and off-site. So as on, there are more than 2,25,000 ATMs all across the India. And the total number of ATMs of public sector banks is quite higher as compared to the private sector because the public sector banks operate large number of bank branches. So what are the features of ATM? First one is facilities. Cash withdrawal, account balance information, transfer of funds from one account to another, mini statement of bank transactions, all of that comes under the facilities, that comes under the features. The first feature is facilities, or that is the feature of an ATM. Second one is the procedure of ATM transactions. So पहले क्या होता है? The customers inserts or swipes the card in the ATM and enters something known as PIN, that is personal identification number issued by the bank. The PIN is the numeric password which is provided to the customer by a bank while issuing the card. After inserting the password, the customer makes the required transaction, mainly the cash withdrawal. So that comes under the procedure of ATM transactions. उसके बाद I have is types of cards. So I have is the ATM debit card, ATM credit card, ATM prepaid card. There are all these other different types of cards that would go for an ATM machine. Withdrawal at multiple banks ATM. For example, I would be having this card of one bank can be used at any bank within India under the shared payment network system. For example, like a person, holding a Bank of Baroda can withdraw the money from SBI ATM. The amounts are according adjusted by the banks. The saving banks account holders can transact a maximum of 5 transaction free in a month at others banks ATM. So other than this, more than 5, अगर वो public bank रहेगी, तो उसको फिर वो charges applicable हो जाएंगे. So this is withdrawal at multiple banks ATM. Then I have is cash withdrawal limit. So banks issuing ATM's card impose withdrawal limits. So the customer is informed of the withdrawal limit. Beyond the withdrawal limit, the customer cannot withdraw the cash on a particular day. Then I have is customer complaints. So customers can complain to the bank regarding the deficiency. अगर कभी ये issue आ रहा है, हर time का ये issue है, या वो वाले branch में there are many always people or something or the other, कुछ भी, so they can complain. Instruction banks have to resolve the complaints by recrediting the customer's account. कुछ हुआ, कुछ गलत हुआ, कुछ fraud हुआ. So then they will have to this thing, and they also have to have a banking ombudsman. Banking ombudsman. मतलब ये committee है for that bank who will have to resolve all the queries that all the complaints that the customers are facing. So with this, I've finished the features of ATM. Now we move on to advantages of ATM. So it is 24/7 banking services. ATMs enables the customers to obtain 24 into 7 banking services with reference to withdrawal of money, transfer of funds. Then I have is convenience to customers. So the ATM has reduced the physical presence of customers in the bank during the banking hours. Due to ATM, there are fewer customers in the bank during the banking hours, and therefore the customers that visit bank get quick services. So that is why it is convenient to customers. Uske baad I have is travel without cash. So one can travel anywhere without cash. If the location has ATM, one can withdraw the money with the help of ATM card. Therefore, a ATM card holder does not have the botheration to carry a lot of cash during long distance travel, especially while on a holiday tour. So I can travel without cash. Then I have is good quality currency notes. The customers may not get soiled notes from the ATM machine. And customer service, this is because the ATM machine performs the functions at a quicker pace than that of the bank's employees. So this may lead to increased loyalty to the bank on the part of the customers. Lower cost to the bank. So there are many, they are located in many places. Just a room, like chotu sa 200 square feet ka less than is also okay to maintain a bank branch. Therefore, the overall operating cost with the ATM falls things, and even all your customers are happy. And since every bank has it, your bank has to have it. Thank you, students. I hope this concept of automated teller machine has become very simple. Thank you, students.